Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Walmart beauty box unboxing. I'm a little confused because I got 2 boxes in the mail and I looked in them briefly and they do have different things in them. So the Walmart beauty box is $5, it's free shipping, and let's just get into the boxes and see why I got 2 boxes. I don't know, but they're super cute. So it looks like this is a little card. Just says Walmart Beauty, embrace your beauty, rate and review this summer's products. Oh yeah, this is the summer box. Okay, so opening it up, looks like this. First thing is a Pantene foam conditioner, sheer volume conditioner. I've actually tried this and I don't like it. And this is made for thin hair too, I think. So there's that. A Nair hair remover ready strips. Fastest, easiest wax strips ever. Free sample and $1 off coupon for face and bikini. 4 wax strips. We have a lot of like little packets this time, which is kind of unusual. Okay, Garnier Fructis damage repairing treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. We've got a coupon. Oh, nope, just a little card that talks about that particular product. We have another product from Garnier. This is a Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer made with rose water. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. We have some Kleenex wet wipes. I can always use these. And then the last thing, oh, hold on. First, there's just a big piece of paper that talks about the foam conditioner. Then we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask. That looks like that. Okay, that was everything that's in the first box. Is that all worth $5? You know, no, I don't think it is. Let's look in box number 2. Again, have a little piece of paper. It says embrace your beauty. And yeah, we've got some different things in here. I'm so confused. I don't know why I got 2 boxes. Okay, this is the Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Foaming Bath Oil and Body Wash, and then a hand and body lotion. Ooh, I can definitely use this because Mama's only got a couple more weeks left of her pregnancy and everything hurts. Okay, actually, oh, I did get 2 of the same thing. What? This is so confusing. Okay, I got another little sample of the Garnier Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer, and then another Garnier mask. And this is the Acai Berry Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. Brighten and Renew. Restorative Overnight Mask. Here's that. Okay, maybe there are a couple of the same things. Another little sample of the Kleenex wet wipes. Again, these are good. I can use these in the diaper bag. And then the last thing is the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner Haute Delicacy. So the only things that I got doubles of are the Garnier moisturizers, the Garnier mask, and then 2 of the little Kleenex things. And then everything else, there's just 1 of. So I'm so confused. Maybe I'll email them and ask like what's going on, because I don't know. I mean, all of this, is it worth $5? Sure. But just 1 of these boxes, I don't think so. Could they not fit everything in 1 box? I don't know. I put everything in 1 box. Everything fits in here, so I don't know why I got 2 boxes. I'm gonna email them and ask them, and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, that's it for this unboxing video. If you guys want to purchase this box, I will have a link down below, and I will link my other previous Walmart beauty box unboxings. I actually have to go back and watch them because I don't remember what I've gotten in past boxes. I have so many subscription boxes, it's crazy. I just forget what I get in each one. I'm gonna have to go back and watch because I don't remember getting like a lot of, you know, like little sample things like this. Or maybe I do. I don't know. I'll have to go back and watch. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.